back, guys, to another video. Today we're making lasagna. First time, never do it before, is it me? But we already prepped for you guys. We're doing chicken instead of beef, right? We already prepped the chicken, already seasoning it up. We have scallion, pepper, sweet pepper, onion, some garlic, thyme, sugar, and mixed veg, right? The cheese. I already prepped everything for you guys. Alright, I put a little oil in the pot, make it get well hot. Now we're gonna throw in our chicken. This chicken is a milled chicken, meaning that no bone, it was soft out and everything. Prepared already in the supermarket. When you put it in the pot, guys, you have to cut it out while you're stirring it. Let everything will lump up on it. You're not going to give it a full cooking because we're going to put it in the oven. Now you throw in your sauce. Tomato sauce. You reach where you're putting the tomato sauce very early because by the time stirring the chicken and everything it will clump up. It's my first time making this one, lasagna. I'm going to put in our onion, ground parmesan, sweet pepper, the old time Jamaican original pepper, bell pepper. But you're not going to put in so much pepper though. Especially when you have kids at home, you don't need a lot of pepper. Some scallion. some garlic, you can shred your garlic or you can just dice it up. Some thyme, I have some mixed veg right here. The macaroni already boiled already in this pot. Just waiting on the meat kind to put it together. You can add a little sugar. About a 2 teaspoons. And make it simmer for about 30 to 25 minutes. 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Just keep chewing. So come back, guys. Alright guys, we are heat the oven. The chicken finished cooked. Now we're gonna set it in the pan. But before you set it, you normally put some of the gravy at the base. Then you put a layer of the macaroni. You can choose your container what you want to use. Depends how much you want to make. I'm gonna add a layer of the cheese. You can buy the cheese shred already, or you can just purchase your own cheese. I'm using white cheese. Alright. Put in another layer. When you're taking out the macaroni out of the pot, you have to take your time, because it will break up. Right there. Very gentle. I heat it before, but I never do it by myself before. Never did it before, I should say. That is one more layer. You can get all of these ingredients, what you need to make your lasagna. Them sell it in the supermarket. The chicken, the macaroni, all of those stuff. I'm gonna add one more layer. Now before, remember the cheese. When you're doing it, you can use a lot of cheese, or it's up to you how much you like cheese. But when you use good amount of cheese, it's better. It all the lasagna together. Coming, guys. Get in one more layer. Right here. For me, I love to cook. I like to try new stuff. Right? It's good to try new things. That's gonna be my final layer, guys. Trying to get some more sauce there. Yep. Get that out of the pot. Don't want to waste anything. It looks very delicious. I want to know how it tastes. I hope it tastes delicious. Alright, that is gonna be the final. Now we're gonna add on the final cheese. That's the whole thing, guys. 350. When you finish this, you're gonna put it in the oven for at least 20 to 25 minutes. Because guys, you have to watch it. Because sometimes it will ready in 15 minutes. Depends how good is your oven. Alright. There it is, guys. Gonna put it in the oven now. Alright, yeah. Look like I did a great job, guys. Alright, guys, just keep tuned. I'm gonna leave it there for the 20 to 25 minutes. Soon be back. Alright, guys, this is the finishing touch. Alright, we're gonna taste. First time doing it. I have someone behind the scene to do the tasting for me, because I'm good at it. delicious. Here it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome. But it's a very easy thing to do at home in say 20 minutes or 30 minutes you finish. Once you prep before, you're good to go. Especially if you have kids at home, you can do this for the kids them and your family. If you have friends over, yeah. Let me try it for myself. Them say self-praise is no recommendation, but that's why I get somebody behind the scene to taste it because them do it before. Lasagna. Wow. I always see it, I want to try it, but I am afraid. Sure. Or it tastes.
It's really good. It's lovely.
It's lovely.
Yeah, very lovely. Moist and nice. What you say, Shadi?
It's good. Very good.
Yeah, but it is well done, right? But it's very, very spicy. You choose if you want it spicy though. Especially if you have kids, you don't want no less pepper in it, right? You know, when you take it out of the oven, right, guys, there, put it down, make it chill local, cool, and then you cut. The reason why you don't want to cut at the same time because the cheese do not finish all the material together, right? You want it simmer down and cool down and everything, but tastes nice to me. But anyway, guys, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. You see me? But this is the end of my video. Just be safe. I'm out.